Today is even more poignant when we consider that yesterday, September the 7th, was the celebration of Africa CARICOM Day. Haiti is a member of CARICOM. And on that day, September the 7th, we so far ahead, we thought that CARICOM, Africa, Kenya would at some point be together. A celebration of that day was driven and supported in its earliest formation by, among others, the government and people of Kenya. Dear friends, when on January the 1st, 1804, Haiti declared itself independent, declared itself free, it set off a chain of events that some 220 years, 250